Wait, I'm still... Wait. Let me go back to my seat.
Come over here. Hold on. I feel it.
Feel what?
Woo! I thought you were to record me.
What? What? No way. Hurry up.
It's losing air.
Alright.
I can't jump it off.
Alright. Quick tire change with Andres Martinez. Zooming on his face. Oh, what a dork.
What?
So, he tried to clear this damn... He landed right here.
I'll have to buy a new one.
Yep, you do. You broke the damn wood, dude, with your freaking rim.
I ran into it. Well, because, the first time, I cleared it, didn't I?
Yeah, the first time you did, but the second time you completely ate it, so let's go put my wheel on yours.
Does it fit?
Does it? Are you sure?
Yeah, we tried it.
Alright then.